Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the age of a man is same as his wife's age with the digits reversed. So suppose my age is 32, then my wife's age will be my age digits reversed. So her age will become 23. So let the man's age equals x y years, where y is in ones place and x is in tens place, which can be written as 10x plus y years, right? Therefore, wife's age will be equals yx years, since in the question it has been given that the digits will be reversed, which can be written as 10y plus x years. Now in the question another condition has been given, that the summation of their age is equal to 77. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x will be equals 77. So 10x plus 10y, 10x plus 10y plus x plus y will be equal to 77. Take 10 common from over here, so 10 multiplied by x plus y, and then from here take 1 common, so it will have x plus y equals 77. So x plus y will be equals 10 plus 1, sorry, x plus y, and then we have 10 plus 1, which is 11, will be equal to 77. Or we can say x plus y will be equal to 77 upon 11, which is equal to 7. Therefore the summation of digits, sum will be equals 7, right? Now let's check the option. Option A's digit are 6 and 9. Summation of 6 and 9 is 15, which is absolutely wrong. For option B we have 5, 54, so 5 plus 4 is 9, which is again wrong. For option C we have 4 plus 3, which is 7, which is absolutely correct. Therefore man's age will be equals 43 years. Therefore option C will be our required final answer. Thank you.